Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today we are excited to show you how to build a new WordPress website from the ground up. In this series, we'll help you take your website from looking like this to looking like this in just a few easy steps. We're going to start today in our WordPress dashboard. Now, if you haven't gotten it installed already, we've got some great videos in the description down below that'll help you get to exactly where this video begins. If you're already inside your WordPress dashboard and you're ready to go, let's get started. The first thing we'll talk about is what a WordPress theme actually is. A theme is short for a design theme, and it's a package of files and CSS styling that determine the design or look and feel of your website. WordPress on its own is like the frame of a house, and now we have to put up the walls and the roof. That's essentially what the theme does. Now, the WordPress library comes stocked with hundreds of themes that are pre-built and ready for you to use. If you don't find something that you like in the native WordPress library, you can always purchase a theme or custom design your own theme and upload it to WordPress. I'll show you how to do that in just a few minutes. The first thing I want to do is show you how to actually get to choose your theme. On the left hand side, we're going to hover over the appearance icon and then click on themes. This takes us to the theme dashboard. Now, WordPress's default theme is always named after the current year, and as you can see, we've got the 2020 as our currently active theme. We'll be using this one for our series, but if you want to use a different one or install something new, you can always go up here to the either WordPress.org themes or premium themes to browse some of the ones that are available. If you've got your own, perhaps you purchased one from another website, you can click over here on upload and upload that one that you've already purchased. Let's click on WordPress.org themes up top and see some of the theme options that we have available. Now, there is a ton of stuff here. You have so many different theme options to choose from, and it's not uncommon to feel a little bit lost. Don't get discouraged though, because when you're looking for different themes, the best thing to keep in mind is what your website actually needs. Do you need a sidebar? Are you going to need a built-in forum? It's okay to take as much time as you need here to choose a theme that looks and feels right for your site. One of the great things about this section is that you have the ability to live preview what the site and theme will look like before you actually choose it. So let's say that I like this one called Charity Fundraiser. I'm just going to click on Preview. And it's going to take me to exactly what the site will look like if I choose this theme. So this is a great option here to kind of scroll through and see exactly what the theme looks like before you decide on something. If you don't like it, go ahead and click this little X up top. It'll take you right back to choose another one. Now, when you're looking through some of these themes in the live preview section, it's important to check out the widgets section when you preview it, as that's where some of the most unique features are located. We'll be sure to go into widgets a little further down the line in a different video. But for now, I just wanted to show you how to choose a different theme inside of this section. Now, one important aspect of building your website is thinking about how people are going to access it. It's 2020 and most website hits are going to come from a mobile phone, so this brings us to an important point when you're choosing your theme, and that's mobile responsiveness. Mobile responsiveness basically means that the theme will pull the contents of your website into a mobile-friendly version that's easy to navigate from a phone or a tablet. I recommend always selecting a theme that is completely mobile responsive, because this will make things a lot easier down the road, so you don't have to build something additional in order to make your site mobile-friendly for your visitors. Now, the best way to tell if your site is mobile responsive is to actually test it in the live preview or customize section of the theme. So I'm going to scroll up and do that for the one that I have installed, which is 2020. I'll click on Customize. Now, down here at the bottom, we can see three different icons. We've got one for desktop, one for tablet, and one for mobile. So let's click the mobile. As you can see, the screen changes, and now I can scroll through and see exactly how my site would look on someone's mobile device. You can scroll through, click on different icons, and actually get a feel for how it's going to act. You can do the same thing for a tablet, and then click back to the desktop to see exactly how it's going to look like on someone's computer screen. Now, this is the customizer, and we'll get to this in a different video, but you'll always have the option to publish if you've made any changes here, or you can click the X to take you right back to the WordPress dashboard. Now that we're back in the theme section of the WordPress dashboard, I want to encourage you to take all the time you need to scroll through and find a theme that works best for your site. We're going to be using 2020 for the rest of this series, but all the tools, tips, and tricks we're going to show you will work well on pretty much anything that you choose. So if you find another one here that you like, all you need to do is hover over it, click Install. It'll take a few minutes to install, and then once that's done, just click Activate. And that just about covers getting your theme installed and activated. If you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to find a theme that works best for you, I've got an article in the description that could be helpful. Be sure to tune in to our next video where I'll show you how to customize your theme and actually start building your site. As always, if you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.